My gosh. Wait a minute, guys. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Paper bag na iniwan sa isang karinderya sa South Cotabato. Sino ba sa pala ang laman? Apris Cayetano. Ipapapadala sa kanyang malabang side sa inaabangang Kapuso Drama Series na You're My Favorite Song. Live mula sa GMA Network Center. Ito ang oras.
Magandang gabi po, Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Nagligodon sa huling araw ng sesyon ng Senado kanina. Pinakante ng mga tumalong senador lahat ng posisyon sa Senado, kabilang ang Senate Presidency at chairperson ng mga komite.
Kabilang sa mga dumalo ang labing-isang dating minorya at Senador Jesus Escudero habang wala naman ang paksyon ni Senador Alan Cayetano.
Itinalaga ng mga nakaposisyon si Senador Sherwin Gatchalian bilang acting Senate President at Senate President pro tempore. Ang iba pang update sa utegan sa pagtutok live ni Sandra Aguinaldo. Sandra?
Ma, pinatay ko yung ilaw sa TRA ko pala si Mama.
May malaking sorpresa nga na naganap
Ano
dito
ba
sa
yan?
Senado at yan nga po yung pagdating ni Senador Cheese Escudero at siya po ay sumama dito sa Minorya na ngayon ay tinatawag na New Majority. Alas 3 ng hapon, dumating sa session hall ng Senado ang labing-isang minority senators. Gaya ng nagdaang 2 araw, hindi sumupot ang mayorya na pinabibilangan ni Senate President Alan P.
Okay, y'all, I'm back. I pee, you know. Mom, this is going to be impossible. How could we get little Sissy? Where even is she? Where? Oh my gosh. Well, about that, I don't know where she even is she. Oh my gosh, at this point I'm panicking. Even if I hit it. Jesus. My gosh. Hahaha. Oh my gosh.
The 20th Congress is hereby called to order.
Hahaha. Bro. Ah. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go.
The Secretary
Go,
refused to call the roll.
Sa pag-anig sa kanila ni Escudero,
We're going to take the car. This is a car. Okay. This is good.
bilang na mas marami sa 10 ng grupo ni Cayetano.
With 12 senators present, the chair declared the vote. The presiding officer, I move to
We are here.
all elected positions
I'm going to draw.
vacant. Is there any
I am going to, you know, drive.
seconded the motion?
Jing, jing, ah!
Sunod, nanuklok si Gatchalian bilang Senate President.
Bro, it's messing up my drawing. Stop. Why are you calling us bro? Oh, I'm a bad.
Senator Erwin Tulfo, itinalaga bilang chairman ng Blue Ribbon Committee at Social Welfare. Si Senator J.P. Ejercito, ang chairman ng Finance Committee. Senator Tito Soto, chair ng National Defense.
Oh my gosh.
Senator Tim Lacson,
I used to draw with hands. I'm drawing with a pen. I'm literally using a pen. What's this?
Senator Kiko Pangilinan ang Forbidden Agriculture. Senator Rizal Cisneros sa Health. Senator Lito Lapid, Games and Amusement. At Senator Cheese Escudero sa Committee on Housing. Itinalaga namang Senate Secretary
Maybe.
si Raymond Fu.
Oh my gosh. Dad, be careful. Going to sit beside. Ah, hey yo.
Naghintay sila sa ibang kasamahan ng senador para bumalo sa sesyon.
Mom, I want to eat. Like, what the heck? We don't have any food. Oh gosh.
May 26, 2026. Session was scheduled to resume
My gosh. That took forever.
2026 and on Tuesday, June 2, 2026. But the former Senate President failed to appear in both instances. Further, Article 6, Section 16(5) of the Constitution provides that neither house shall, during session sessions of Congress adjourned for more than 3 days without the consent of the other house. The Senate has been adjourned and unable to resume session for the past 2 days, placing us on the brink of constitutional violation had we not convened today. Thus, in the absence of a duly consulted postponement and the continued absence of the former Senate President pro tempore, and members of the majority, we are compelled to call the session to order.
Inilatag din niya ang legal na batayan kung bakit 12 senators lang at hindi 13 ang bilang na ginamit nila para magdeklara ng quorum.
The quorum of 12 is based on
Tama
majority
lang.
of 22 senators, over whom jurisdiction can be obtained by the Senate. This is in full accord with the ruling of the court in Avellino versus Cuenco.
Latina.
That
Shasha.
a majority of 12 out of the 23 members can constitute a constitutional majority of the Senate for oral purposes.
Ang pinagpupoy ng Supreme Court decision ay inilaba noong March 4, 1949 sa kaso si Avellino versus Maria
Woo!
Sa naturang kaso, kinilala din ng Supreme Court na hindi 24 senators ang dapat pagbatayan ng quorum. Kaya para sa 22 senators na lamang ang kabuang bilang nila dahil nakakulong ang isa habang nagtatago naman ang isa pa.
Oh.
Bago matapos ang sesyon, naitalaga naman si
I feel bad.
President ng Senado.
Bro.
Let the record reflect that the chair,
See?
Senate President pro tempore, shall acting president pursuant to
Oh, God.
presiding officer of the Senate, the rules of the Senate. I move the President of the Republic of the Philippines and the House of Representatives be informed of the election of Senate President pro tempore and acting Senate President Sherwin Quezon. I so move.
Is there any
Oh my gosh. I'm trying to do a tumbling. Aw.
That the first regular session of the 20th Congress of the Philippines on the part of the Senate be adjourned, CNG.
Is there any objection?
This is not that thing she went though. Okay, I'm going to use my hands now. Wow. Wait a minute.
Sa press conference yung majority spokesperson
Did someone torture her? I think so. Ugh. Mom and Dad.
We cannot touch the Senate presidency because we don't have 13.
Pero pagkatapos ng press conference, naglabas ang payo ng bagong Senate.
Hey! Ugh! 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 Ugh!
Kabilang ang posisyon ng Senate President. Hindi lang daw
Daughter! No! My hate! No! No!
sa ilalim ng konstitusyon. Sa isang payag, nagpaliwanag naman si Escudero sa kanyang naging siya. Anya, hindi na raw katanggap-tanggap ang nangyaring isa o deadlock sa Senado. Hindi raw pwedeng magiging sa ganitong sitwasyon ng Senado dahil naapekto na ang mismo
Bruh.
kakayahan nitong
Oh my gosh!
kapag masyado na raw
Oh my gosh!
at naapektuhan na ang kanilang mandato, kailangan na raw unahin ang
What?
sarili. Pero sinabi rin niya na wala siyang sinasamahan o iniwan ng grupo, pangkat o paksyon. Sabi naman ni Bethania, kasunod ng nangyari kanina, meron
Sissy, you were bad. No. You hurt me every time.
Mama sa kanila si Escudero, ano yung kambi si Senator?
No. Stay away. Ah! Ow! Don't stay away. Oh. Hmm. Wait. Hmm.
Illegal naman ang ruling ni Senador Alan Peter Cayetano sa pagbakante sa lahat ng posisyon sa Senado kanina. Walang siyang pala kilalanin ang pagtalaga kay Senator Sherwin Quezon bilang acting Senate President at pagkakakalal.
Bye, guys.